In this demo, we are going to control the movement of the car by an infrared remote control. When we hit button 8, it will go back. 4 for turning left and 6 for turning right. If we enter 1, the car will enter into self-driving mode. It will turn left. It will turn left again. Stop. It will turn left. Oh. It is against my wheel. Keep moving forward. I think in this case, it will turn right. Yeah, and go straight. In this case, it will turn right. Yeah. And we hit button 2. Hi. Sorry. Stop. We hit button 1 again. It will turn right. Stop. It will turn right again. Oh, it will hit the wall. Never mind. Stop. And turn right. Stop. Stop. Turn right. So as you can see, when we press 2, 4, 6, 8 or 5, I will control the movement of the car. And when I hit the button of 1, the car will enter into self-driving mode, in which it will detect the obstacles and adjust its trajectory according to what the sensor sees. And this is the second demo of our car.